So this is Mexican grass, a grass plant. Don't cut it back. How to look after it? In the summer, it likes to be fairly dry. Obviously not too wet, not too dry, and it loves the sunshine. Now, to look after it, you see all these dead bits and everything else, there's seeds here. You just comb it with your finger like that, and you see all this loose comes up. This is all seeds there. So just, if you don't want it, just chuck it away. That's all you need to do with this grass. Just regularly comb it like this with your fingers. Just comb it like this with your fingers. That's it, like that. And you're getting rid of the old dead stuff, and then the new stuff, green, grows around, and it will be more green like this. So that's the new growth, and you get rid of the old. That's it. That's all you need to do with this. Feed it a couple of times a year. It loves to be dry and sunny. Don't leave it waterlogged or too wet soil. And I've got another one here, and you can see it's got a little bit more new growth coming up as well. That's it. That's all you need to do with looking after this Mexican grass. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment, feedback, and a like. And the competition rules are coming up. Hope you can enter, and all the best of luck. Thank you, and bye for now. So it's competition time, guys, and we're going to be giving away £50 or $50 Amazon voucher for the first prize, $20 or £20 for the second prize, and $10 or £10 for the third prize. Now the competition rules are: subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and the most important is leaving a comment. Comment about what you want to see, what you liked about the video, maybe what you didn't like. And from the comments, your name will be entered into the prize draw, and it will close, and the draw will be done when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead if you want to be part of that. Thank you so much, and best of luck everyone, and catch you on another video real soon.